Now that you've started using the new HP Durable Backlit Fabric, let's talk about how to install it. There are two ways you can go about this: sewing and cater tape. In this video, we're going to talk about how to install it with cater tape, but keep watching to the end for instructions on sewing. Start by trimming the graphic to the correct size. We recommend trimming your graphic to be about an inch larger than your frame on each side, keeping in mind the measurements of the inserts of the frame. Half of that inch will be used for the width of the tape, and another half will be used for the overlap. Once you're done trimming, install the adhesive strips flush with the inside markings on the graphic. For the initial installation of the strips, apply them with minimal force so adjustments can be made to get a perfect fit. After the strips are adhered to the graphic, trim the corners at a 45-degree angle so they are flush with the adhesive strips. Now it's time to install the graphic. Start by installing the top first, then move to the sides, and then finish up with the bottom. If the fit is acceptable, remove the graphic and use a roller to apply force to the adhesive strips to improve the adhesion strength. If the fit is not perfect, remove the graphic, adjust the adhesive strips, use a roller to apply force to the strips to improve the adhesion strength, and reinstall the graphic. For more tips and tricks on working with the new HP Durable Backlit Fabric, contact your HP Large Format Media Specialist today.